Alright, we've been going back and forth on our CAC name reservation, basically because the names my client supplied had some issues. Okay, I've already explained that in the video I posted a while ago. So I promised you in that video that I was going to check back again. Remember, it was earlier this morning that I had to enter a new name, and anytime you go for a new name search, you are going to be paying. Okay, so I want to check again to see if the name has been approved or whether it has been denied or is still pending. Okay, now if you check the dashboard, you can see under submitted is 0, under pending is 1, under denied we have 2, under reserved we have 0. Okay, now we have not gotten to this stage down here, the registration stage, so we're still here. Now why I'm doing this video and I want to capture this is that I want you to understand that sometimes the way the CAC website works is that the name might have been approved, yet it might be showing pending. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to do this video, in case you are facing that kind of situation. Okay, and you are waiting, oh, this thing is still under pending. Sometimes you have to check again, like I'm going to check now. Okay, so how do you find out if the name is still under pending, is still pending, okay, or they have done something about that? Okay, so what you do is simply come here and click on this pending, regardless that is showing 1 here, just click on it. So I'll click on it to see what it will truly show me at the end of the day. So I'm clicking on it. Now, do you see that there is no record of any name pending under here? You know what it means? It automatically means that this name has either been denied or approved. That means reserved. Okay, so let me get back to my dashboard. Do you see this saying pending 1, this denied 2? Let me open denied, so you see the 2 that have been denied. Okay, these are the 2. Okay, now we are not seeing the third name here being denied. So obviously, since it's not under pending and it's not under denied, it means that it must be that the name has been approved. Okay, it must be that the name has been approved and reserved. So let me return to the dashboard. So we have clicked here, we saw nothing, clicked here, we saw nothing. So let's go to reserve now. So can you see the name has been approved? Can you see approval history? Okay, Shekina AI Networks or network. Okay, that's the name, he has been approved. And if you check the date, it is today, 20th of February 2025. Okay, it was earlier this morning that I applied for this name. Let me see if they captured it here. Yes, can you see it here? They captured that this was created February 20th 2025. Okay, so the name has been approved. So what's left for us is to go ahead and what's it called, register this name. But let me open the approval note so you understand something. This is approval note, so let me click on it. Now, you know, I told you reservation is within 60 days, so that's what I want you to see. You can see the details of this, but then that's not the point. I wanted you to see something. Okay, now can you see reserved on 20th February 2025, reserved until April 21st 2025. So if you count from 20th of February 2025 to 21st of April 2025, that should give you 60 days. Okay, so we have a window period of 60 days between now in February and April, before 21st of April, to get this name registered. Otherwise, we'll return to square one. Okay, so that's what the reservation is like. Okay, so let me return to where we were. Sorry, I think I missed something. Okay, so what we'll do next is to begin the process of registration. So after now, I'm going to communicate my client to send in all the documents needed for this registration, and I will also do a video while I do the registration, so you see again how it is done. Okay, so see you in that next video. If you've not subscribed to this channel by now, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Okay, and if you have not seen the previous videos to this series we are running on CAC name registration, please refer to the channel to see the video. Probably I'll drop some. Please check the description of this video. I'll be putting the links there for you to easily go and watch. Okay, but do well to subscribe, like I say, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified immediately I upload the next video. So see you in that next video.